Looking for a dependable engine coolant water outlet that fits your vehicle perfectly? This replacement part is engineered to match the original exactly, ensuring a seamless fit and lasting durability. Designed to handle extreme temperature changes without cracking or leaking, it keeps your engine running smoothly under pressure. I've seen firsthand how a failing water outlet can cause leaks and overheating, often because of a worn-out gasket or cracks in the pipe. Instead of patching up just the gasket, replacing the entire assembly is a smarter move, and this part makes that easy. It comes with a new gasket included, so you're covered from the start. Plus, it's crafted by a trusted aftermarket leader known for replicating OEM quality at a fraction of the dealer price. To make sure this water outlet is the right match, simply enter your vehicle's make, model, and trim level into the garage tool before ordering. If you want a cost-effective, reliable replacement that won't compromise on quality, this is worth a look. Try it when you're ready and get your cooling system back on track without breaking the bank.